my water heater. Let's look inside my water heater. Let me just rearrange things. Ah, that explains why the pilot light keeps going out. That could be a problem. Let's look up top. Wait, hold on. Let's look up top. Climbing the ladder. Oh, yeah, I feel reamed. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I thought it was, the leak was, fuck me with this light. Ah. I thought the leak was coming out of there, but no, it's coming out of the little rim around the middle. It's oozing water all over the place. Gee, I don't understand it. My pipes look so healthy. It's like my body. Oh, it sucks.